just a prank, but no matter how hard he knocked, no one responded. Worried someone might have passed out, he called the school nurse to force the door open, but once they opened it, they found no one inside. Only a few bloodstains remained on the wall. Eerie scene made everyone think of something supernatural, so Jack rushed to find Jenny the exorcist girl, but after inspecting the scene, Jenny found nothing unusual. She decided to consult her teacher John. However, she discovered he had already left for the day. As she was about to leave, she saw John